In this episode of Sailing Doodles, we head over to the Puerto Rican island of Culebrita, where we have a fabulous time on the absolutely gorgeous beach. I'm Bobby, and welcome to Sailing Doodles. Thank you so much to our patrons for making this channel possible. In the previous video, we left Culebrita behind and headed over to Las Pelas to celebrate 150,000 subscribers for Taylor. Had a good time here at Las Pelas, really beautiful spot. We may end up back here again tonight, but we're gonna go over to Culebrita. We'll see if the conditions are okay to anchor there. There's one bay that's really beautiful we'll go try first. If it looks okay in there, then great, we'll stay there. If not, we'll try the west side of the island, and if that's still rolly, we'll maybe just anchor for the day, go check out the island and come back here for the night. The winds are actually pretty good right now, but the swell from the, the wind's been out of kind of the northeast for the last week or so, so the swells are still a bit out of the northeast. So we'll see. But anyway, we got the boat about put away. We got Oscar back on board, and we're gonna start the engines and get going. All right, y'all ready? Getting off a mooring with our Manus Marine setup is really easy.
We're free, and then you got it, girl.
That's our friends Brandon and Dustin on SB Ada Lovelace. You can find them on Instagram. Hung out with them yesterday. They're gonna go over to Culebrita with us, I believe. We're gonna check it out and report back to them because we're a little faster. Sorry to interrupt your yoga. It was only a few miles over to the uninhabited island of Culebrita.
So pretty in here.
Another day, another island, guys. We're ready.
Yeah.
Mamacita.
So today we are trying something a little different. We're anchoring Puerto Rican style. We drop the front anchor and then turn and swing so that the stern anchor holds us towards the beach.
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies?
Basically, I set the front anchor how we want it, and then I back into position, and we send Sydney off the back with a paddleboard and an anchor to drop that in the correct position, and then pull them both tight.
Talk anymore. I wanna
Hey, go ahead. I got it in neutral, so go ahead and launch off.
know you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means.
All right, Sydney, drop it there.
Perfect. Yeah, that's good.
All right, now dive on it, make sure it sets.
I just want
This was my first attempt at anchoring like this, and I definitely could have done a better job.
to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze.
I'm telling you, having this Mantis bridle is it's so much easier than the way we used to do it, the two lines and everything. And well, I mean, I guess you could just put a snubber on there, but it's better.
Just get me out of here.
I didn't quite have the bow round into the swell, but with views like this, who really cares?
Just get me out of here. Just get me out of how can you be so cold?
Culebrita is part of the National Wildlife Refuge and is about 20 miles from the mainland of Puerto Rico. That means it's not overrun with tourists and is one of my top destinations in the world.
You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out when you get too close. I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here.
Got a provision for the beach.
She's making herself a cocktail because look at this water out here.
Oh, baby.
So we are provisioning. We got like some shades, we got some towels, we got some music, we got some booze, and we're gonna head and paddleboard to the beach. Sid made some shots. Those look way bigger than
It's like
shots.
more, it's like we're just gonna chug it, but it's with fresh juice.
Oh, that makes it better.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, if I could chug that.
Yeah, you can do it, Bobby. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot of alcohol in that.
It's my name, Jose.
Yeah.
Oi. Let's go, boys.
Oh, that's strong.
You finished it.
Alrighty, Captain. Loading up.
Yep. Y'all are gonna share a paddleboard, and then I'll load up with all the goodies. We got the cooler.
Sunshade.
Sunshade.
Dry bag and
What is that?
That's
Hammock?
an umbrella.
Oh, umbrella.
umbrella.
All right, I will see you on the other side.
Cheers.
Try not to.
Fall.
One of these days we'll get better at doing like the Puerto Rican style thing, and we'll get closer. But I'm kind of paranoid about it now.
Alrighty. Right.
And water bottle.
Got it. And push off. Wow, look at these islands. Beach adventure! Paradise. Paradise. Oh. All right, I think we've got the best setup on the beach here. Look at this.
Not bad, not bad.
Yeah, we're not sure if we set this up right, but we tried.
Not a bad place for it.
Woo!
This is absolutely beautiful.
It's so pretty.
And the boat is right there.
Yeah. Doesn't get much better than this.
You say that in every episode. Does it get much better than that?
Well, it keeps getting better, so I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. Paradise, guys, paradise. With crew like Taylor and Sydney, it definitely keeps getting better.
Does make the hips no.
Maybe it's the alcohol.
It's crazy how 90% of the boats over here earlier are gone, just in a matter of a couple hours. So, kind of have the place to ourselves now. We'll stay here tomorrow. We'll do some hiking on land and check the place out. But kind of a nice little calm place and a beautiful spot to spend the evening. Wow. And the water is just super clear. I can see there's a tarpon or something down there in the daylight. Pretty amazing. Be sure to subscribe so that you get notified when we upload a new video. And thank you so much to our patrons for making this channel possible. They get lots of extra content like early videos and exclusive videos.